welcome to my channel. Welcome to Yoga with Anja. I'm very happy to have you here today, and welcome to meditation. This is a meditation video for complete beginners. Even though you have experience already and you're watching this now, you don't have to tune out. It's there for you as well. But we are practicing a very simple form of meditation today, so you can slowly start to ease your way into the practice and just start to get used to it as well, because meditation is something that definitely needs practice, and especially in our Western world where we have a lot of influences throughout the days, where life is very hectic, it can sometimes feel that you're not getting anywhere with your meditation practice. But again, it's just down to you to take that time out of your day, to sit still, to close your eyes and go inward and experience whatever comes up. So meditation doesn't always look or feel a certain way. It is your own practice. And today I look really forward to guide you through a few easy steps so you can start to get into your practice. Thank you for choosing my video. So we begin in a comfortable seated posture. I'm, by the way, sitting on a pillow. If you would like to do that as well, you can grab a pillow or a cushion that you have around, and feel free as well to lean against the wall if that feels more comfortable, to sit upright with your back, because that is what is practice. In the beginning you might feel like more like this, that you're rounding or it's hard to keep your spine upright. That's all completely normal. You might even ache a little bit tomorrow from sitting upright for a while. But let's begin now. We come into a comfortable seated posture. Take your palms and place them facing down onto your knees or your thighs. Roll your shoulders up and then down and away from your ears. Notice how your heart is opening and how the shoulders are relaxing. And then start to send your gaze down towards the floor in front of you. Choose a single spot that is not moving ahead of you. And you can either stay with the awareness on that spot, or if it feels nice to you, I invite you to close your eyes. Close your eyes and soften your awareness inward. And just allow yourself to drop into this practice. And this truly might be your first ever glimpse or taste of meditation that you are taking. So just allow yourself to be here, to be comfortable with being here, and to already thanking yourself for taking that time out to do something for yourself. Become aware of your body and notice the alignment of your upper body, the head, the heart, the hips, and then maybe the pillow underneath you. And see if you can bring your whole upper body into one nice long line from the head all the way down into the hips, or again down into the pillow. You're creating one nice long line. Notice if your chin is rather sticking forward, bring your head slightly back. And then allow your knees to rest, allow your hands to soften, and again the shoulders to relax. Be comfortable with however you're sitting right now. And after you've taken a moment to notice how your physical body feels, notice what is happening in the deeper layers of the body, what is happening within the body. Notice if there is any sensation or any feeling for temperature around. Do you feel the temperature around your skin? Do you feel the temperature within your body? Is your body rather warm, rather chilly, a bit cold? And just notice, remember, we are just noticing We are not judging. We are not analyzing. Notice if there is anything else present within the body. As you close your eyes, how does that feel? You don't have to name it. You just have to be there to observe how it feels. Allow yourself to feel whatever is present. And then notice how your mind is doing, how your thoughts feel. Is your head busy? Is your head super busy? How do your thoughts feel? How do your thoughts lead you through your day? Sometimes we feel that the head is almost taking over, so the body is secondary. We almost don't notice what is happening within the body. So that might be a complete new experience for you to close your eyes and actually differentiate between the mind and the body. And then see if you can soften the skin of your forehead. If you can soften the area around your eyes, your eyebrows, the space underneath your eyes, your nose, cheeks. See if you can soften your lips, your teeth. And if you can relax the jaw by slightly bringing the teeth apart. And as you do so, see if you can almost visually imagine that you're also soothing out your mind or soothing your mind. You're relaxing the thoughts. You start to slow the thoughts down. You're turning the volume down a little bit. Imagine you're relaxing any muscles connected to your brain, any area of the skin, the neck. And again, even in the body, even if you feel that your thoughts are taking over, you're tensing up somewhere, try to relax. And then for a moment, just let go of that. And notice your body from head to toes. Visualize your whole physical body sitting here in your meditation. Your body, your mind connected as one. And then notice the stillness or the sounds around you. And think of slowly taking you back into the world around you. Slowly start to move your fingers, your wrists, your arms, your shoulders. Any movement you'd like to do with your head, your neck, and then open your eyes if you had your eyes closed. From here, give yourself a good, nice, long stretch. Bring your arms up and overhead. Full stretch through the arms, the upper body. And then bring your arms down. Gently rub your legs. Bring a bit of warmth back into the body, a bit of life. Gently rub your arms. And then bring your hands together. Create some heat. And then rest your palms over the eyes. And with your eyes open, take a nice long breath in. Exhale through the mouth. And then release your hands all the way down. If you'd like to, you can bring your palms together at your heart into Namaskar, Anjali Mudra. Well done you. Really well done for your first meditation. or again, if you're a regular, thank you for stopping by. I hope that this video will serve you a lot longer, so please come back to it. It's really just about practicing, about taking time out during the day to come back to yourself or to find stillness, whatever you need. It was a pleasure to be here with you today, from my heart to yours. Namaste.